Oh my gosh, I don't know which day we have today. It's the birthday, it's my birthday, it's the new year, I don't know. I just know one thing. I receive this letter right now from ucrypto.cards. And I want to use the time and I want to do the outpacking of this amazing letter. So let us start. I'm sorry, I'm not so the professional outpacker, but wow. Guys, this is a MasterCard. Look how nice. And the special of this Master debit card is you can load it with cryptocurrencies. And the most exciting product of this card is everything what you load on this card and spend for your life and use it for everywhere in the world. It's a MasterCard. You can use it everywhere. You can have, if you want, 100% cashback of everything what you spend with this card. It's so unbelievable. This is the best master debit card in the world, powered by Ultima, guys. The world best ecosystem, Ultima. And trust me, if I go out and ask some people outside, do you want to live for free? Everything what you spend, you will get back. 100%. What do you think they will answer me? I love it. Today is the best day this year for now. And it's crazy what this company with this ecosystem deliver his members. Not only his members, you have a chance to get a member. So ask the people to show you this video. It's unbelievable. You